Let's take a quick look at Decentraland. After spike up and established its all-time high at 590, then the price retraced. The next day, the price broke down and dropped below this prior high at 495. After that, 495 became this major resistance. As you can see, every time when Decentraland tried to retest it, it get rejected and end up closed the day below 495. Yesterday, seller pretty much gained the upper hand. They drove the price down. Decentraland, for the first time in a long time, closed the day below this red line, which is the 10 days moving average. Today, buyers step in, and right now they are attempting to push the price up to reclaim the 10 days. So how Decentraland end up closing today will have a significant impact on the short-term pricing. Because if the price can close above the 10 days moving average, which is right at 475, that is an indication that the buyers are getting the upper hand and the momentum could likely push the price up. We could see the price cross over this prior high, then continue the second wave. A closing price today below the 10 days moving average indicates the seller has the upper hand, and there's a very high probability that they would continue to drive the price lower. Let's look at the Decentraland on this 1 hour chart. When the price trending down, it was forming this downward trend line. The 10 days moving average is the key. A crossover the 10 days moving average would confirm the breakout of this downward trend line. Then the momentum could potentially push the price up. And the possibility for the continuation of the second wave is definitely there. We would likely see the Decentraland run up, retest this all-time high, and then eventually run to my target price of 750. However, a rejection at this point would push the Decentraland back inside this downward trend line. Then we are looking at the possibility for the price to retrace, then retest this prior low at 430. If there is no support, then we are looking at the possibility for the price to retest the 380. Decentraland is still in the second wave as part of this major bull run. A retracement to even as low as 380 is just temporary. I do expect to see the price bounce up, and then eventually it would run up to my target price of 750. So the minute Decentraland, if it ever dropped below 430, that would be a very good entry price for me to accumulate. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.